You can't do this to them.
They're great writers. It's unfair to them.
This is not acceptable.
Wait, we can prove that this AI tool cannot replace writers.
Can your AI write or the cow for Amazon?
Your AI won't give you instances after which Spotify can say that there's a playlist for that.
And how will it know that Indians pass down their furnitures through generations and pick this insight up for an award-winning ad for Fevicol?
Guys, join this. I know you guys have a lot of questions. Here's what's happening. You told us what an AI like Chatgpt can't do. Now it's time to figure out what it can and use it to our advantage. Use it to give you thought starters. Use it for generating more ideas. Use it to structure your sentences better and learn from them. Use it for research. We cannot fire you. After all, an AI will never understand maza nahi aaya, right?